Hey everybody, Skeeter here. Welcome back to the channel. So today, we're in beautiful Moore, South Carolina. Moore is a suburb of the Greenville-Spartanburg area, and my friends live here. And for those of you that watch the channel, you may have seen a video we did about 6-8 weeks ago at the Clinton House Plantation, which was a beautiful outdoor range, and we went shooting out there, and it was just a magnificent facility. Well, we're back here because we love this place, and we got good friends. Jon and Michelle live right here at this house. I'm sitting on their porch right now filming this. And we went to the airport last night to come home, and after a 2-hour delay and being on the plane, sitting on the runway, Delta decided to cancel our flight. And we can't get home for another 2 days, so, oh well, what are we gonna do? We gotta stay here in South Carolina. What a bummer. So, Jon and I decided we might as well go shooting today. So we decided to go to his local indoor range and check it out. We were hoping they'd be air conditioned, and they actually were, which was a shock, a good shock, because it's about 100 degrees here today. It is brutally hot. So we went over there. Jon wanted to check out his new Sig P220 Legion in 10mm that he bought yesterday. He's also got a Springfield XDM Elite in 10mm and a Smith & Wesson 2.0 10mm. So we wanted to go there and check out the difference in recoil between those three guns, and also check out the difference between his 10mm hand loads and some Buffalo Bore factory loads, as well as some other stuff. We started a Patreon page yesterday, and my buddy Jon is my first Patreon, and I can't thank him enough. But if you want to help support the channel, you know we're never going to get help and support from YouTube. They've pretty much demonetized all the gun channels. So you can go to my Patreon page. I'll put a link in the description below on how to get there. And there's a couple of different tiers if you want to support us. Please do. We'd really appreciate it. I'll also put a link in one of the parts of the video here going forward. All right, come on. Let's go to C&C. Let's do some shooting. Jon, so you and I, we're going to go do some shooting, right?
Yes, sir.
C&C indoor range. This is the vestibule, getting ready to go in. They say it's air conditioned. Let's check it out. So here's one of the two ranges they have over at C&C. This is the pistol side. They also have a rifle range. This side had 7 points, and it had air conditioning, which made it more comfortable than most indoor ranges that I've been in. Hey, Jon, what are we shooting today here?
Shooting 10mm. I have Springfield XDM Elite. I have a Sig P220 Legion and an M&P 10mm. I'm testing out my hand loads and some factory and comparing the recoil of all of them.
Cool. All right, let's get to it.
So these are my first shots with this P220. I just got it the other day.
All right, now what are you going to shoot?
Now I'm going to shoot the Springfield XDM Elite.
I don't know why I wouldn't shoot.
I just put this optic on, so I'm not even sure if it's not even zeroed yet.
Okay. Yeah, that looked like it had a lot more recoil, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, could see it. All right, next
You know
up,
what to do?
Is the M&P.
M&P 2.0 and 10mm.
Go ahead. It doesn't care.
That looks...
Most recoil.
Yeah, it looked like it. Yeah, you're a big guy, man. His hands were moving. All right, I'm going to start with the M&P since you said it had the most felt recoil. Let's see what this is like. Not so bad. Now let's go to the Springfield. That had more felt recoil than the Smith Sig 220 Legion. Less recoil.
Buffalo bore, heavy, full tilt,
Okay.
10 millimeter.
Just not going to be that comfortable.
Hey, I think I did pretty good. I would say I did okay.
How'd that
It is
feel?
not bad at all
Really?
out of this gun, and I've shot it out of the other two, and it's brutal.
That's
In this
the
gun,
220?
it's not bad.
That's the 220?
That's the 220.
Yeah. Heavier gun, less felt recoil. All right, Buffalo bore. Sig P220, 10 millimeter. Yeah, not bad at all. Felt pretty mild, actually. Pretty mild, right?
Pretty mild.
Okay. All right, so this is your hand load defensive rounds, right? Okay. Very mild. Whoops, I didn't see the last rule, no rapid fire. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as we did, although it's not possible because we did all the shooting, so we definitely had a lot more fun than you did. But the results of that were that the Springfield XDM had the most felt recoil. The Smith & Wesson 2.0 10 millimeter had the next most felt recoil. And of course, the Sig Sauer P220 10 millimeter Legion had the least. What a phenomenal firearm. Well, again, please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, check out our Patreon page if you want to support the channel. And until next time, Skeeter out.